Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin 8-hour chart. Bitcoin pullback. Imagine that. Bitcoin needed this key level. The bulls unable to push higher. This morning was crazy. The SPX started pulling back on some CPI news. Essentially, inflation numbers came out over what the stock market was looking for. And Bitcoin had, I'll show you on the shorter term time frame. So earlier today, you saw this complete sell-off and then bounce to the upside. And Bitcoin came up here double topped and essentially now is rolled over. We talked about this in group as a strong possibility. I'll show you some ideas for pullback targets. So we talked about previously where if the bulls get rejected here, still, I mean, this is technically, if this is your high and your low, this is still technically barely a higher high. So you just want to see the next low is a higher low, higher than this low. And again, you could get another try at breaking out above this resistance level. For the bulls, you know, short-term downside hasn't been much fun today. However, looking to get in on some of these altcoins that ran away from you during the Bitcoin pullback. So looking at the 1-hour chart, you got this double top, which essentially will be confirmed if this level breaks 42,985. So the way you pull the price target is essentially take the measured move of this distance, and that would give you about 40,400 as a target, right? So the golden pocket is a target, 40,400. Most bullish retrace, if you get some type of bounce here, you know, potentially another try. The more times that Bitcoin runs up to this level, better chance it has of breaking out. But it's completely normal to think that after this huge move to the upside, some type of pullback is normal, right? So again, if the bulls can't hold this level, you could see, 42,000 be the most bullish retrace you could possibly get. Bulls buy up, come in and buy up there, very bullish. Next level down, 41,300, 40,400. Okay, there's really good support at 39,850. So those are some bounce ideas looking for on this Bitcoin pullback. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started out with $67,000. Now they're at $400,000. Banging. He says, I'm going to be in the 7-figure club by the end of this cycle. This person, I'm in your group. I'm in your Telegram group for 3 days. My portfolio is up by 30%. We've been killing it. This person started out with $1,000. Now they're at 24,770. These Kucoin gem picks have been banging. We've killed it. Green on green on green on green on green. Bitcoin bounces. We're going to do it again. Get ready. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is Xcur on Kucoin. 7,000 people saw this. I said, looking for the breakout to the upside right here. Xcur, 16% gains based on this idea. 16% in a day. I posted this setup a day and a half ago in group, way down here. Banging, 33% profits. So earlier today, I was all morning long watching Bitcoin, all morning stuck on these charts. And I said at one point, because the SPX pulled back, right? So everybody's worried about inflation. Inflation numbers came out at a 40-year high. Well, guess what? We wanted Wall Street here. They're here. So Wall Street estimates were about 7.2%. Inflation came in at about 7.5% over what the street was expecting. And SPX started pulling back. So I said, hey, watch. I mean, SPX has been the leader. Bitcoin has been following the SPX, the S&P 500 index. So I said, watch Bitcoin and your altcoins at 137 before the pullback had even started. Warning. Some people like these updates, constantly. I'm active in the group. Samsung unveiled a crypto wallet and storage on the new S22 smartphone. But Chris, this is not new. They've had a crypto wallet, right? But listen, Samsung, check this out. They made the announcement at a Metaverse event, and they allowed for pre-sales of the new Samsung smartphone in Mana Metaverse. Hanging. Huge. I mean, Samsung is selling phones in Mana's Metaverse. Life-changing money is coming. Bitcoin's pulling back. Okay. But I'm telling you guys, it's Metaverse. It's about NFTs, Metaverse. We're here. It's like buying Bitcoin at a penny. We just have to position ourselves to take full advantage of what's about to happen to this market. Watch what happens. So Bitcoin dominance was pumping. This was a concern because when this happens, typically you see moves out of Bitcoin, right? So we talked about this resistance level, which I adjusted here. I mean, if this breaks to the downside and gets rejected and you see some type of downtrend, maybe it comes down here in double bottoms. That'd be the most bullish case for altcoins. Altcoins get some breathing room. If this breaks higher, altcoins bleed, period. So now market opens tomorrow. S&P 500 is down 2.2% after hours trading. Like, this is not amazing, right? This is not amazing. If we look at the SPX, like, it's breaking back into the pattern. The SPX continues down in this pattern. I mean, there's some downside for the stock market there. So basically the way it works is dude, inflation is out of control. And in order to fix or slow down inflation, the Fed has to raise the rates. Well, the Fed came out in a meeting and they said, hey, we're not, they alluded to the fact that they're not going to raise the rates as fast as they could. But now inflation is at 40-year highs and they got to do something. And so Wall Street is concerned that they're going to, they're going to have to raise the rate. How can you not raise the rates? Inflation is out of control. If you have a couple $1 million in cash sitting in the bank, you probably lost $200,000 or $300,000 in purchasing power in the last 2 years. Like, your money is losing its value sitting there. And so the Fed, it's a responsibility to be conscious of inflation. You're having to pay employees more money to get the same amount of work output, right? There's a ton of concerns with the economy. Like, this is not good. This is not good for the overall economy in the United States. And a lot of this pullback has to do with, I mean, that you had going in today, you had a gap up previously. You had a bullish move. I mean, this is a falling wedge. I mean, you had so many ideas for upside. Then this news came out and tanked the market. So again, can the stock market bulls pull out of this move to the downside? But if we get downside, which after hours is happening, if you get downside, Bitcoin rolls over. It's crazy. Like, this is something that we used to wish, oh man, I can't wait till Wall Street gets in. I can't wait till Wall Street gets in this market. I can't wait. Now they're here. Literally, I'm following stock charts to front run Bitcoin moves. One thing that we've done in the trading group is we started trading these 3x short tokens, and it's been pretty amazing because you're able to profit in this market trading both ways. It's real easy. There's no liquidation price, so it's low leverage. Something to think about. Make an account on Kucoin with a VIP link in the description and trade these short coins with us. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.